Reading comments from last night's vlog, and someone commented, Aiden looks a lot like Seokjin. And I'm wondering if they're talking about BTS Jin. 시작! 야, 김연애 멋있다. This is Seonu's makeup bag. He always wanted his own. So yes, he has a mirror, some chapstick, and lotion, hand creams. Okay guys, so Aiden also decided to change his phone as well. Same thing as mine. So he's gonna open an account. We're gonna go meet Sween's brother again. We're running late, so I think we're just gonna stop by McDonald's drive-thru and pick some stuff up, and also take some snacks.
토마토 소스로 해주세요.
필요하신 거 없으시면
Love cheeseburgers. Nuggets for the kids. Never vlog 4 days in a row. Like the filming part's okay, but editing that's kind of hard. Sun came out, so all the snow from last night melted. 안녕하세요.
안 주는 거 아니야?
나는 저염 갈색. 엄마는 염색 갈색.
커플 폰.
I've been craving spring rolls, so I'm gonna make spring rolls while Aiden makes fried sweet potato. It's so good. What do you eat with this? Oh my god, is that really salmon? Aiden said this ice cream is really good. It's a waffle ice cream with vanilla.
Then it's hard to find.
It's hard to find.
Yeah,
because I don't see this at like the convenience store or 롯데마트. Picked up some tteokbokki, strawberries. Strawberries in Korea, when it first comes out in December, it's so crazy expensive. It's like average $12 to $14 per pack, but then slowly starts to get cheaper. And right now it's like $7 at the marts, but the smaller like fruit and vegetable places, like private places, they sell it for $5. So we got this 2 for $10. Also got some sweet potatoes. Spring rolls, I like to put some kind of like lettuce or vegetable. Also I have to put this noodle. He's going to make fried sweet potatoes, so we bought some powder for that. Kids snack. Shrimp, fried shrimp. The kids also love fried shrimp as well. This, I like to put shrimp in my spring roll, so that. Rice paper, milk, crab meat.
머리카락. 아빠입니다.
줄게.
오세요. 뿅. 오, 이쁘게 그래도.
엄마의. 아빠 옛날 핸드폰입니다. 두둥두둥두둥.
My bed here. Fall asleep in the car. Or just wash these? The kids don't really like spring rolls, so I'm just gonna give them seaweed soup. But Aiden just put this frying mix powder with water, so you get this. Stick this in hot water. So you you could eat it with peanut sauce, but Aiden and I, we like to dip it in chili sauce. Sriracha. Okay, let's try frying this.
꺼졌는데? 꺼진 거 아니야?
Yeah. Kids meal, they're eating the miyeokguk seaweed soup with some hanbak steak, dried octopus. This is very tiny fishes. 해먹는 똑같은데? 되게 맛있다.
맛있냐?
The sweet potato tastes good with ketchup too.
그래서 여기 그린 거잖아. 연두색 이런 게
아, 봐봐.
손에 안 묻어.
한번 해볼게.
손에
Sonu got as his Christmas gift from his kindergarten. It's so cool. You could like draw on it. And then there's a
엄마 이거
button
아까
here.
보여줬는데.
Bing! Wow! My message to you. Happy holidays! Someone also commented on why we decided to extend our stay here in Korea. We were supposed to like move out in like March, but main reason is because this whole pandemic, COVID. I know Texas is really over 1 million cases. So my family, like my mom, my grandma was like, don't come, don't even think about coming. Just stay in Korea until the situation gets better here in America. So it's like, okay. And then also since Sonu is entering elementary school this coming March. So in Korea, the new school year starts in like February, end of February, March. So Sonu will be entering elementary school, 초등학교. 선우 이제 초등학생이야. 초등학생 되는 거야. So I guess like Aiden wanted Sonu to also experience what it's like going to an elementary school here in Korea, since he only been to like pre-K and kindergarten here. Yeonu, he'll be entering 3rd grade. Oh my god, he's already 3rd grade. Anyway, we haven't decided yet how long we will extend our stay here in Korea, but we'll keep you guys updated. 오늘 drew me a snowman. 또 뭐 그러지 않았어? 와, 메리 크리스마스. 또 바다? 바다. Also drew Santa's toy factory. They have Yeon and Sonu's toys ready. So cute. The waffle ice cream is so good.
이거 아빠가 지금 여기에.
It just tastes like the ice cream cone.
아빠가 지금 여기 있어.
잘라서 먹을 수 있잖아.
Oh, if I should.
차가워서?
I usually don't really eat ice cream, but this is good. So I know on Instagram a lot of you guys were waiting to view my private island, so I wanted to give you guys like a quick tour of my island today. For early Christmas, Aiden got me the Nintendo Switch Lite. We had this one, but you guys know I've been obsessed with Animal Crossing. So I've always been on this, and the kids were like, Mom, can we play now? Like, when is our turn? Hi, welcome to my island. So here is my entrance. I decorated my island with like teddy bears and Christmas decorations. Park. And then this is my workstation, where I just make stuff. And then over here we have this small little camping site. My pumpkin patches over here. I love this thing, reminds me of Cinderella. And here is Sonu's house. And I have some instruments up here since I do play the piano and cello. Over here is Yeonu's house. Favorite spot, so it's a photo zone. Whenever people come over to my island, we take photos here. And then this is my home. Little tent there. And then this is my favorite spot as well. Someone gifted me all these instruments. I love this white piano and cello. To go down here, I have my shops. My museum is back here. Back here, I have all my flower collection, all my hybrids. I also have this small cafe. All these yummy cake. I have my own ice grading ring over here. This is where I grow my gold roses. So I'm gonna clean up, do some dishes, and then edit today's vlog and have it up for you guys tonight.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.